Alright, let's get straight to the point. We're putting 3 top VPNs for Proxmox under the microscope, and we've got just 3 minutes to find the perfect one for your Proxmox setup. Let's dive in. First, what do NordVPN, PIA, and IPVanish all get right for Proxmox? They've got the essentials on lock. We're talking military-grade encryption, so your Proxmox management data stays safe from snoopers. They all include a kill switch, which instantly cuts your internet if the VPN fails, so your virtualization environment won't be exposed or interrupted unexpectedly. And they've all had their no-logs policies verified, meaning they don't track which servers or containers you access. But the places where they differ, that's what really matters for Proxmox users. Let's break it down. NordVPN is the best VPN for Proxmox because of its speed and features. It uses a huge network of RAM-only servers, which means your data is wiped clean with every reboot, a major plus for privacy and security in virtual environments. Another great feature is threat protection. It blocks ads and malicious sites that might target your Proxmox interface or related management tools, even when the VPN is off. It also has a cool tool called Meshnet, letting you connect securely with teammates for remote Proxmox access or shared admin duties. The one small negative? A limit of 10 devices at a time. Now that device limit is a non-issue with both private internet access and IPVanish. They give you limited simultaneous connections, so you can protect your Proxmox host, your admin laptop, and any other devices without worries. But PIA's biggest strength is its radical transparency. It's the only one here with fully open source software, so any tech-savvy Proxmox user can audit their code for vulnerabilities. And here's the clincher. Their no-logs claim has been challenged in court and held up. That's more than a pledge. It's been put to the test. Then we have IPVanish, the totally independent operator. Its special sauce? It owns and operates its entire server infrastructure. No middlemen. They have full control over all their equipment, which means a more stable and reliable connection for your Proxmox remote management. And for any Proxmox admin dealing with latency issues, it provides a SOC 5 proxy for the lowest ping possible. This can help route your management traffic for a potential boost. Just keep in mind you're sacrificing a layer of encryption for that lower ping. Okay, ready for the big question. Which one is fastest for Proxmox? NordVPN is the clear winner in raw speed, powered by its custom NordLynx technology. This means faster connections and smoother access when managing multiple Proxmox nodes. IPVanish is a very close second, delivering impressive and steady ping times using the WireGuard protocol. Private internet access is a bit less predictable. It can be quick, but our tests found its performance varies, with ping that can spike depending on the server you pick. So, which VPN should you choose? Here's a simple guide. Choose NordVPN if low latency is your top priority, you want uninterrupted remote management, or you want the best all-around VPN with the most features for Proxmox. Go with IPVanish if you have a ton of gadgets or a whole team of Proxmox admins. Its unlimited connections and self-run servers offer incredible value. And finally, pick PIA if you're on a budget or a privacy-focused Proxmox user who needs evidence to back up claims. Its open source apps and proven no-logs record are truly unique. And that's it, we're all out of time, so if you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which VPN you're running for Proxmox. See you soon.